Hey everyone, this is Ian Scott Cohen from the Founder Underground, and this is going to be a very quick video about how to create an account on ChatGPT, the Gen AI tool that has swept the nation, and there's spawned a ton more. So I am in an incognito window here. You'll just go up to your URL bar. You can type in chatgpt.com, and that should take you right to it. As you'll see, the first thing it'll pop up with is this window where you can actually start chatting directly with it immediately. You don't even have to create an account. But I'm going to recommend that if you're going to be using this for your ventures and for yourself, definitely go ahead and create an account. It's totally free. There are premium versions that you can get, but we'll just do the free one. So you'll go up to the top right, hit sign up, and you can either put in your email address or use a single sign-on. I'm going to go ahead and use my Founder Underground email as a way to do this. So Ian at thefounderunderground.com. I'll put in my password. Continue. And now it's going to ask you for some information. So let's put in my info here. Give away my age. We'll just put 1900 just to keep it a secret. All right. So I hit continue. And now it takes me right in. And so again, you've got the prompt window right here. This is where you can immediately start chatting. They also have an advanced voice mode where you can actually speak directly to it. And then over here is where it's going to track your different conversations. So I'm going to go into the next video talking about how to use the different chats is what they call them, each conversation. So maybe I'll start one here. Hey, ChatGPT, it's my first time here. And you hit enter and you'll see immediately it'll start giving you responses. So it says, welcome, I'm here to help you with anything you need. What would you like to do today? And then you'll see my chat over here. So we're going to do more on the chats in the next video, but that is how to create an account on ChatGPT.